How to fix problems with DNS cache in Windows 11. For the first step, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure you have obtain DNS server address automatically selected, and then click on OK. Next, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once this comes up, you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter. Now, you want to type in netsh space int space ip space reset. Click on enter again. Next, you want to type in ipconfig space /release. Click on enter. Now, you want to type in ipconfig space /renew. Click on enter again. For the last one, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter again. For the last step, just restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.